Let's try again, Bandit.
Go away, Shaggy.
It's okay.
Nice.
Oh, look at that.
He's got the mouse.
Get it? Jump!
That was not a good jump. He could do better.
You can do much better. He's getting lazy. You can make me jump too much.
Make him jump over here in this living room. It's a lot of jumping room. That little brat face.
He caught it!
He did?
Yeah.
Oh.
Did he get that?
Yeah, I think so. Come on, let's go
That's
over here.
such a good boy! That was so good!
He's like, I'm trying to get the mouse. Stop.
That was so good, honey.
Let's go over here.
He caught it in the mouth. Good boy.
That was not a good jump. Nope.
Oh no. Okay, you wanna play fetch?